Right, so I just got to the house and already you can see a lot of what we did. But I really don't want to use that bathroom. Also, the dye went off the roof the second we got the keys of this house. Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is a mess. The house is a mess. I'm a mess. I need to wash my hair. Whole renovation is taking a toll on our life, and I think that everything is crumbling down, but we did do a lot of progress. Today is Wednesday, so we technically have had the house for 5 days and a half because we got the keys on Friday night, and so we have done a lot, and I'm about to go over there and show you exactly what we've done so far. There are a lot of things still up in the air, and I think today we will get the confirmation about the kitchen delivery and the price and everything. I just came back from the vet, so if you've seen one of the latest video that I did, we got a kitten a few days ago and it has been amazing. I'm gonna go grab him now and he's the cutest. I cannot believe we finally got a second cat, and they're actually getting really along with my cat Leo. So here is Leo. He's so tired. They're both really tired because they just had breakfast, and yeah, they're chilling. So that's Leo. And then here we have a very, very tired boy. He's been amazing. He hasn't cried once, but he's definitely exhausted. So I think I'm just gonna leave them here and go to the house. But yeah, they've been really getting along and chasing each other and just playing and, you know, play fighting. And definitely Leo sometimes is a bit too rough, but I guess he's learning how to be a big brother. But yeah, I'm just gonna go put some shoes on, get some water, some snacks, because there's literally nothing in the house. And yeah, and I'll see you there. Right, so I just got to the house and already you can see a lot of what we did. So if you come into the entrance door, we completely removed the carpet. I think it was either the first day or the second, something very early, because it was really dirty and we wanted to see the condition of the stairs underneath so we can get then the carpets fitted in. So yeah, this is the first thing that you can see. We have here a bit of flooring for upstairs because we want to just make sure that we like it. So we ordered just one room worth of flooring, and then we'll, yeah, double check. Then we have here some doors. I didn't think they would just come primed. I thought they would come white and already, you know, painted, but they actually are just primed, and then we'll fit them, paint them, put the handles on. Yeah, that's the new doors. Then here, oh my goodness, this is the kitchen. So since the last time you saw it, I think it was more or less like that. We basically removed everything, the tiles, the countertops, and then we proceeded to removing the floor tiles, which is actually way harder than we thought it was going to be, but you know, it didn't take too long, except on this bit, which this is actually concrete of some sort. So this tile here, we cannot remove it. I don't know why, but yeah, everything is pretty bare and down to the bones. We are waiting for the contractors, or I can't remember what the names are, but yeah, the team that is going to install the Howden's kitchen is going to remove this because we have some issue with the piping and we cannot remove this without cutting the water. And we just realized that the valve that is behind there to cut the water actually doesn't work. It's completely broken, and then apparently you have 3 valves, 2 in the house and 1 outside of the house, so that, for example, if you don't pay your water bill, the company will come and cut you off from literally outside. So we went to close that off so that we could remove the sink, but there is no valve outside. I don't know if someone nicked it, I don't know what happened, but there is literally no way of cutting the water off. So now we have to wait for the water company to come on the 25th, fix it, and then we can, you know, remove the sink and start with the kitchen renovation. But yeah, then, yeah, so this is the kitchen, and then if we go here, we're in the dining room. Everything is pretty much the same. except that we started removing all the skirting board and unfortunately started taking off some plaster of the wall, but nothing that can be fixed. And then here is where the kitchen is placed. So we decided, yeah, to put all the kitchen bits here and wait for the day that we get a skip to then load it all off. All the bean bags are full of floor tiles and wall tiles. Those are the skirting boards of the whole house, and yeah, this is the kitchen. We checked for the floor, whether it's good or not, and this is concrete, so something that we can level up and then just lay down the new flooring once we confirm which one we like. Also, the dye went off the roof the second we got the keys of this house, and we have no time to cook, so. Then upstairs, as you can see, took all the cabinets off. The bathroom, we took off that dirty, disgusting thing. So I'm not gonna even go inside there because it's horrible, but yeah, the bathroom is exactly in the same conditions as the last time I showed you. Then here, we started taking off all the imperfection of the wall, filling all the gaps. I took off the skirting boards, yeah, just to make sure that the walls are nice and filled in so that we can today sand it off, wash the wall just to make sure that there is no debris or dust on the walls, and then we can go ahead and paint. And then after we do that, we will fix the subfloor, lay down the new flooring, and then at some point do the new skirting boards in. And then same here, we have a little bit more behind just because we have no rush for this room to be ready. So again, just took off the skirting board. We need to clean a little bit the walls to make sure that there is no grease, and then we will go ahead and fill all the holes with polyfiller, sand it off, paint, lay down the floor, etc, etc. We had a few deliveries here, so that's the little mats that go underneath the new flooring, the new doors as I showed you. Then here we have the new toilet, and then I think the 26th or 7th we just got a call. The new bathtub is going to be delivered, and then I will go ahead and do the order of the tiles and vanity, the sink vanity unit. But literally we are just waiting to confirm for a plumber, because we can technically, you know, fit in the new bathroom ourselves. I mean, it is a bit complex, but it's not impossible. But we are just scared that, you know, if something happens, if the plumbing for whatever reason is not top notch, then obviously it's going to be an issue. And if something happens with the plumbing and everything gets wet and then we have to rip everything off, I mean, it's just better to get a plumber in. But obviously with this short notice, everyone is actually booked up until August, something like that, which is really a problem because, as I said, we only have a few days left in our apartment before we have to move in. And to be honest, I don't want to, I know it's a bit, you know, I'm being a bit precious, but I really don't want to use that bathroom. So yeah, we just need to make sure when the plumber that we have contacted is free, and if he actually is free, will do us a huge favor and fit us in any day, time, or, you know, of the night. Then we'll go ahead and order the rest of the stuff. And yeah, I mean, this room is basically the same as it was. We did take off a few bits and bobs, but we kind of want to live this room as it is, just so if anything happens, we can bring in the cats here and have a place that doesn't stink of paint, that doesn't have any holes, doesn't have any nails, and yeah, we're not gonna touch anything here, and just making sure it's safe. And now I have the lovely task to go all around this room, see where the holes and bumps and imperfection on the wall are, clean there to make sure there is no grease, polyfill, and then later we will sand, wash the walls and paint. that room is done, but still a lot to go, and then we have to wait that it dries. Usually we do go home, have lunch, freshen up, sit down for a while, have some home cooked food, and be with the cats as well to break up their day so that they're not just, you know, bored and doing nothing. But today we actually ordered some takeaway food, and then I think I will go home around 2 o'clock, play with the cats, have a coffee, and then come back down. So we have baguette, a wrap, a few onion rings, and a few dips, and I think we're just gonna sit outside at the sun and have a few minutes off. This is a lovely, lovely day, even though you barely can see anything. We've done a lot of progress today in terms of little tiny things that need to be done. This whole door frame is actually seemingly long to do. As you saw, I managed to do quite a bit as well. My partner came in and one of us was holding the heat gun and the other one was scraping off, but this is around an hour and a half of work, and it's not even all the way done. There's still a little bit to do, and as well apparently the heat gun can't go anywhere near the glass, so we had to stop there, and then the rest I think we had to hand scrape it off or something. I don't know, it's taking a while, but I think it's much better. I tried to sand this one off, but as you can tell it barely did anything, and it was just a loss of time more than anything. So definitely the heat gun method is much better, but yeah, it takes time. It's not a priority, but we'll do one by one. I think, I don't know, half a door a day or something like that. There is a lovely light coming in the afternoon, which is lovely. I thought we were going to paint this wall today, but we had to actually start getting rid of this bit here in between, because whoever painted the wall managed to paint the windowsill UPVC part, so we have to scrape it off because we can't paint over, obviously, because that's not a good thing, and then it will be all blue, all patchy bits of blue, so we have to very carefully scrape that off, and obviously that took a long time to do. So we are not behind schedule, but obviously we would rather do things slowly and, you know, well done, as opposed to rushing through just because, and then yeah, having botched or patchy jobs. So yeah, anything else that we've done today? Oh yeah, downstairs the basically main guy of the team that is going to install the Howden's kitchen came by and said that it shouldn't be a problem, everything is fine. I look very pale against this orange wall, but yeah, anyhow, he's going to give us the quote, I think tonight, as well, with the time frames of when they're going to be able to do it. Fingers crossed, it's gonna be soon. And then as well, we had a 5 days extension of staying on the flat, because we thought that leaving the flat on the 30th and get the bathroom and the kitchen done by then was just going to be impossible. Like, it was not realistic at all. So we managed to get I think it's a 6-day extension, so we are able to stay on the flat a bit longer, and hopefully that will be enough time to get the main stuff fitted, like the hob and I don't know, the toilet fitted at least, and then perhaps having to stay for 2 days in a bit of a work site. I don't know, we shall see. But yeah, a lot of progress in that sense. And then in 2 days time, so it's Wednesday on Friday actually. My parents are coming and they have a car, and everything's going to be much quicker and easier, especially with the car. They're gonna help us paint, they're gonna help us remove the tiles and everything from the bathroom, and everything is going to be much quicker than just me and my partner with no car and nothing and just waiting for deliveries to come over. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be better. But the light here is just lovely. This whole house in the afternoon just warms up, and in the morning actually we have the light from the other side. So yeah, we get the sun both all day long, and it's just lovely. And I'm so glad, because I'm a person that really values having a naturally lit house. So yeah, really like that. As well, we just ran out into the problem that the pipe is leaking, so we might have to call a emergency plumber until that gets fixed. We didn't end up going home either. We just were doing so many little tiny things that took the whole day. So I think it's 6:30. So we either call the plumber, get that fixed, and then go home, or we just go home and then come back early tomorrow morning to empty the buckets that we're gonna put underneath. I don't know, it's just leaking everywhere. But yeah, I don't know how long this reno vlog is, because I think cramp a few bits of footage from other days. So I think I'm just gonna edit here, and then I will keep vlogging a little bit more regularly from now on, and so that you can see the progress day by day and how much the house is gonna change. But I feel like right now there isn't much progress in terms of like interesting things to look at and to see, and like coming with us to choose tiles and stuff like that, just because, as I said, we don't have a car, so we're very limited. And as well, I feel like until we have gotten rid of all of this, because we still have to hire a skip, so we're waiting to accumulate enough stuff to hire the skip, fill it up, and just let them collect it. So yeah, everything is a little bit cramped, and we can't move many things around, and we can't lay the floor because there's so many things on the floor, on the subfloor holding it. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. I really hope you liked this vlog. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn your notifications on so you know when I upload. And hopefully I will see you in the next vlog. Ciao!